Go hiking with me.
Alright, it is 4:25 and I'm about to go for a hike. Yeah, 4:25 a.m. It is 4:54 a.m. I am at my hiking location, but the sun's not out. So I'm gonna wait a bit, get a tiny bit of sunlight, let my phone charge a little bit, and we'll be on the way. Okay, it is now 5:21. It's still a little dark out, but let me show you real quick. It hasn't changed much, but I'm gonna go for it. I looked it up and it said that sunrise was like 6:30. So we got like an hour, but I don't want like full sun anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Y'all, I lied. I'm gonna wait. All right, it's go time now. We're getting some light. Let's go. Look who I stumbled upon. Just chilling in the bush. Hello, lizard. You chilling, huh? I am a little over a quarter of the way into this trail, and first of all, before I got to a quarter, like maybe a sixth, I was like, it's hot. You know what's hot? This wig. Okay, this wig is hot to hike in, and I wish I knew. I wish I had known. We'll see if this wig makes it to the end of the hike, because I just may take it off. Alright, I'm an hour in and I'm at the halfway point, and the wig is still here. I think we're gonna make it. I have less than a quarter of a mile to go, but this little end stretch is a bit of a steep incline, and I don't appreciate it at the end of my hike. So yeah, I'm taking a break. Another break. Try to get this thing over with. The car is over there. The trail is this way. I have to come around and down to the parking lot. I want to cut across right here, but no. Phoenix is hating. Your girl finally made it.
See you on the next hike.